Are you ready to transform your life? Yoga is more than just a workout, it's a journey to a healthier, happier you. So, stick around as we explore the real benefits of yoga for your mind, body, and soul. Yoga's not just about flexibility, it's a powerful tool to build strength and endurance. With consistent practice, you'll notice your body becoming more toned and defined, ready to tackle any challenge life throws your way. Ever feel like your mind is racing with thoughts? That's where yoga comes in. By focusing on your breath and movement, you'll experience increased mental clarity and reduced stress, giving you that much-needed peace of mind. Let's talk about balance. Yoga's not just about standing on one foot, it's about finding equilibrium in all aspects of your life. By practicing regularly, you'll develop greater physical and emotional stability, bringing harmony to your daily life. Who doesn't want to age gracefully? Yoga can help with that. Its gentle movements promote flexibility and mobility, keeping your joints healthy and preventing age-related ailments. Say goodbye to stiffness and hello to a more youthful you. Now, let's summarize the real benefits of yoga. Builds strength and endurance. Increases mental clarity and reduces stress. Enhances balance in all aspects of life. Promotes graceful aging and joint health. So, are you ready to embrace the life-changing power of yoga? Don't wait, start your journey today. Hit that subscribe button and join our community of like-minded individuals. Together, we'll support each other on the path to a healthier, happier, and more balanced life. Namaste.